Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Mi nombre es Hailey Jennifer, and in today's video we're gonna be making spotted chicken. Gallina Pinta. In a large pot, add half the water and turn it on to high heat until it starts to boil. Then you want to add your meat. Now let your meat boil for 15 minutes on high heat and remove the excess stuff that comes out at the top. Add in your pinto beans, add your onion, garlic, guajillo chiles, and jalapenos. Whoops, I forgot to add the bay leaves, but I add them now with the rest of the ingredients and turn it down to low and let it cook or simmer for about an hour and 45 minutes. Now remove the chile guajillos, the onion, and the garlic. Also add the maize. Now it's time to add the seasonings, which we're going to add salt and pepper, chicken bouillon, oregano, and stir it up. Why is it even called Gallina Pinta? It's not even made with chicken. Hello? I think it's because of the combination of the maize and the beans. It looks pintada. Now we're going to add the cilantro and the green onions, and we're going to let it continue cooking on low for about 30 minutes until the maize is fully cooked. With your spoon, now you can check to see if the beans are done cooking and the maize by grabbing a metal spoon and going through it, and if it opens easily, that means that they are done. Give it a good little stir and smell and taste. Make sure the salt is right, the pepper's right, and we're good to go. But wait, there's more. Well, there's not more. There is more in your caldo. Now it's time to serve it. And you can serve it with cilantro, onions, and some chiltepín, Crush a little chiltepín here, a little there. Maybe add some lime, lemon, and we're done. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you make this recipe at home, and if you do, tag me on Instagram or let me know in the comments down below. You can also check out my website, which has this recipe and other recipes with videos that will be coming up soon, and I'll smell you guys later.